a baby bird. It just hatched in our tree, in our house. A baby bird. It just hatched. You can see it right there. See, it's breathing. It's so cute. The mother bird will come and carry it to another place so it can grow it. There were 3 eggs at first, and now there's one which has hatched, and then another one already hatched, and the mother bird took it. There's 1 more egg. This one already hatched. So you see, it's like it can't open its eyes yet. After it grows, it will grow its feather and learn how to fly. So the mother bird will carry it to another place.
And it can also see.
Yeah. It will take at least a few days for it to like start to move and like see. It's moving. It's like it's looking for its mother. Because we are here taking the video, the mother bird will not come yet. After we leave, the mother bird will come and pick it up and go. It's pretty cool. The nest. The mother bird is right there. You can see it. It's right on top. It's moving. It's getting into the nest. It's right there looking. It just came because we left and then we're outside the house taking a video of it. Because it heard the sound of the new tree and then it saw it. Then it came. Those are the mother and father birds of this little bird. You can see it has been a few 1-2 days after that first shot we had. For you guys it's the same, but this is actually the second day. See right there, it has grown. So cute. Yeah, the hair has also grown. Its wings are starting to expand. It's going to grow out and fly out soon. Yeah. Maybe less than a week.
Maybe.
Yeah. There's just 1 more egg under there. You can see that there's another egg. It still hasn't hatched. I don't know when it will hatch, but if it hatch, we will show you guys.
Yeah.
Those are the birds. They have like a thing on top of the head, like a mohawk. The back of the head. Yeah, the bird is now just shielding its mouth so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's scared because we are getting near it. See, the mother and father bird are just shouting because they think, look, he's doing. Whenever we touch the nest. Whenever it feels movement, it's doing that. Wow, so cute. Wow. Just need to shake the tree. Shaking the tree. So whenever this bird starts to grow wings and fly off, we'll take another video and put it in our channel. But until then, see you guys later. Bye.